Ano po ngayon ang sitwasyon, ang latest na sitwasyon diyan po sa Leyte, Chief Muni?
Yes, sir. As of ngayon po, so far, province of Leyte, hindi na po nakaka-experience ng activities. Like po kanina ng madaling araw na para talagang may sa planong papalapag sa lipad, no? So that was that we felt because of Typhoon Kino. As to casualties, wala pa tayong reported and recorded based sa mga reports ng mga municipalities and city dito sa province of Leyte. So we only have reported toppled down trees and electric posts, no? Na sa ngayon ito po yung the reason why these roads are unpassable. But as of the moment, clearing operations is ongoing. Where in fact naka-receive na po kami ng report that there are roads na passable na ngayon because the MDRMOs and LDRMOs on the ground are currently doing the clearing operations. So as to infrastructure and agricultural damage, hindi pa po tayo makapag-release ng accurate info because the assessment still ongoing, no? Itong mga municipalities natin at saka city na nag-establish ng rapid damage assessment, they're still on the field to conduct damage assessment. That's why sa ngayon wala pa tayong concrete report with regards to that. But then may mga reported tayo na there are damages when it comes to agriculture, pero sa infra, as per information from them, that light damages lang yung nakikita daw nila. As to evacuation, since kagabi pa to, no, very effective po yung ating preemptive tsaka forced evacuation dun sa ating mga constituents. So that's also the reason why wala tayong netalang casualties dito sa province of Leyte. So a total number of 27,344 families evacuated and 98,876 individuals, no. These evacuees are evacuated at different evacuation centers in the province of Leyte, yung mga identified ng mga municipalities and cities. So yun po as of the overview, no, of the update with regards to the effect of Typhoon Tino dito sa province of Leyte. For now, by the way, an additional lang po, wala po tayong kuryente, no? Since kagabi pa po, no? We already expected that since this is a typhoon category. So inaasahan po talaga nating mangyayari yun. But as per update from our partners from the electric companies, that they're currently doing the repairs and clearing. So inaasahan po natin yan na babalik po right after matapos po yung clearing nila.